Structures of atom. Can you recall? What is the smallest unit of matter? What is the difference between molecules of an element and those of a compound? Does an atom have any internal structure or is it indivisible? Which particle was identified by J.J. Thomson in the cathode ray tubes experiment? Which part of an atom was discovered by Ernst Rutherford from experiment of scattering of alpha particle by gold foil? Properties of subatomic particles. The electron symbol is E virus. Absolute charge E value is negative 1.602 to 10 raised to minus 19. Relative charge is minus 1. Symbol for charge is minus E. Mass value is 9.10938 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Mass is 0.00054 U. Approximate mass is 0 U. Proton symbol is P. Absolute charge value is positive 1.602 to 10 raised to minus 19. Relative charge is plus 1. Symbol for charge is plus E. Mass value is 1.6726 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Mass value is 1.00727 U. Approximate mass is 1 U. Neutrons symbol is small n. Absolute charge is 0. Relative charge is 0. Symbol for charge. Mass is 1.67493 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Mass value is 1.00867 U. Approximate mass is 1 U. 4.1.1 Discovery of electron in the year 1897. J.J. Thomson investigated the cathode rays and found that cathode rays are streams of very small negatively charged particles, which are 1837 times lighter than a hydrogen atoms and are present in all atoms. Later, these particles were named as electrons. 4.1 Subatomic particles. Dalton's atomic theory was able to explain the laws of chemical combination successfully. However, it failed to explain some property of matters. For example, it would not explain why substances like glass or ebonite, when rubbed with silk or fur, generate electricity. Discovery of subatomic particles in 19th and early 20th century set a blow to Dalton's atomic model of hard sphere. Three important subatomic particles, namely proton, electron, and neutrons, which are of concern to chemistry, were discovered. Protons and neutrons are present in the atomic nucleus and together are called nucleons. Electrons are present in the extranuclear part of an atom. The properties of electron, proton, and neutron are summarized in Table 4.1. 4.1.2 Discovery of protons. In the year 1911, Ernst Rutherford found in the experiment of scattering of alpha particles by thin gold foil, see figure 4.2, that a few alpha particles bounce back. From this he inferred the presence of massive and positively charged nucleus inside the atom. Following the discovery of nucleus in an atoms, Rutherford found that the fast-moving alpha particle transmuted nitrogen into oxygen with simultaneous liberation of hydrogen. 14th mass, atomic mass 7, atomic number of nitrogen. React with atomic mass 4 of alpha, atomic number 2 to give and to release 17 atomic mass 8 atomic number of oxygen plus 1 at 1 atomic mass and 1 atomic number hydrogen. He further showed the other element could also be transmuted, but hydrogen was always emitted. This is cathode ray tubes. Cathodes, anode between the metal foil and cathodes, deflected path, original path. On the basis of Rutherford proposed that the hydrogen nucleus must be contained inside nuclei of all elements. Hence, the hydrogen nucleus was renamed as proton. Alpha particles, sources of alpha particles, release alpha particle radiations. One beam or ray of alpha particles passed through lead plates and scattered into the gold foils, which is covered by scintillations. Photographic plate. Rutherford scattering experiment. Discovery of neutron. Existence of electrically neutral and massive particle in the nucleus was predicted by Ernest Rutherford in 1920 to account for the disparity in atomic number and atomic mass of an element. In the year 1932, James Chadwick's measured velocity of proton knocked out from paraffins by unidentified radiations from beryllium, see figure 4.3. From that, he determined the mass of the particle of the unidentified neutral radiation, which came out to be almost the same as that of a proton. He named this particle as neutrons, which was predicted by Rutherford earlier. Polonium source. Release alpha particles. It scattered through beryllium, give neutrons. It scattered to paraffin to give proton. This is the discovery of neutrons.